Hello, everybody. So we're going to cover problem solving lesson 7.10. We're on page 303 of the third grade textbook. And our topic is problem solving two-step problems. And our essential question for today's lesson is, how can you use the strategy acted out to solve two-step problems? Okay, so let's look at the unlock the problem. Madeline bought 2 packs of pens and a notebook for $11. The notebook cost $3. Each pack of pens costs the same amount. What is the price of 1 pack of pens? So, important information. We know she bought 2 packs of pens. She bought a notebook. That means one. She spent $11 total. And we know the notebook costs $3. We have to find the cost of 1 pack of pens. So what do I need to find? I need to find the price of 1 pack of pens. What information do I need? Well, I need to know that she spent $11 in all. She bought 2 packs of pens, and she bought a notebook, which means one. They also told us the notebook costs $3. All right, so how will I use the information? Well, this lesson is to use the information to act out the problem. Okay? And so describe how to act out the problem. Start with the 11 counters and take away 3 counters. Why are we doing that? Why are we starting with the 11 counters? Because that's how much money she spent total, correct? And why are we going to take away 3? Well, because the information from the problem told us that the notebook cost $3. I don't need to find the cost of the notebook. They gave that to me. So the total cost was 11, right? We made 11 counters. We took away 3, which was the cost of the notebook. That tells me that the part that's remaining is the cost that she spent on pens. So I know that 2 packs of pens cost $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $8. Okay. All right, so now we need to make how many equal groups with the remaining counters? Well, she bought 2 packs. So I need to make 2 groups. And I need to share those remaining 8 counters into those 2 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I shared 1 in each group and kept doing that until I used all 8. So it looks like we have 4. So we made 2 equal groups. The cost of the pens was $8. We got that from right here. We're dividing by 2 because there's 2 packs of pens. There's the same amount of pens in each pack. So there's going to be $4 per pack. And we can check that to see if that makes sense. Okay, let's see. Pack of pens, $4. Pack of pens, $4. Notebook, $3. So if I add those up, I should get $11. 4 and 4 is 8. 9, 10, 11. So yes, it does work out. Okay. All right. So next, page 304. Chad bought 4 packs of t-shirts. He gave 5 t-shirts to his brother. Now Chad has 19 shirts. how many t-shirts were in each pack? All right, so he bought 4 packs. He gave 5 t-shirts away. He now has 19. Okay, so what do I need to find? How many t-shirts were in each pack? What information do I need? Okay, we need to know that he bought 4 packs of t-shirts, that he gave 5 t-shirts away to his brother, and now he has 19 t-shirts. How will you use the information? We can use the information to act out the problem, just like we did here. I will use the information to act out the problem. Okay, so when we look back at this one, describe how to act out the problem. Start with 11 counters, take away 3 counters. So here, we're going to start with 19 counters. And we're not going to subtract though. We need to not re-add, we need to add the 5 t-shirts that we gave away. Okay, because we need to find out how many he had before he gave the shirts away. So we're going to start with 19. All right, so there's 19. Okay, that's how many he has right now. So Chad has t-shirts. Chad has t-shirts he gave away. So how many t-shirts did he give away? He gave away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 19 plus 5 equals, we'll say T, the total number of t-shirts. So he had 24 t-shirts. So now let's take that 24, and we know we have to put it into 4 packs. Draw 4 circles. Draw 4 circles for the 4 packs of t-shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Share the 24 counters equally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so basically we had 24 divided by 4 equals 6. So there were 6 t-shirts per pack. How can you use multiplication and subtraction to check your answer? Okay, so all I'm doing here is I'm repeatedly subtracting the divide by 4, okay, until I get to 0. So I'm taking 4 away from 24 until I get to 0. How many times did I subtract 4? I subtracted 4 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. All right. Page 305, number 1. Mac bought 4 packs of toy cars, and his friend gave him 9 cars. Now Mac has 21 cars. How many cars were in each pack? So he bought 4 packs of cars. His friend gave him 9. Now has 21. How many cars were in each pack? So again, we're going to act out the problem by using counters or the picture and by writing equations. So first we're going to subtract the cars Mac's friend gave him. Okay, he didn't buy the cars that Mac gave him. I'm sorry, that his friend gave him. So we're going to have 21, and we're going to take away 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So he has 21 right now, but we need to subtract the 9 that his friend gave him. So I'm going to just X those out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so how much do we have left? How many toy cars does he have left? 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, so he has 12 remaining cars. Now we're going to take those number of cars and divide by the number of packs. In the problem at the top, it said he bought 4 packs. So we're going to divide by 4. So we can draw 4 equal groups and share the 12 counters. Put 1 counter in each circle and keep adding 1 until you've used all 12. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so I see 3 in each pack. I mean, each group. So there's 3 cars in each pack. Does that make sense? Let's see. 4 packs times 3 is 12. 12 plus 9. Remember, his friend gave him 9? 9 and 2 is 11. Regroup that as 110 and 1, 1. And 1 and 1 is 2. So 21 cars. So that does check out. Number 2. What if Mac bought 8 packs of cars and then gave his friend 3 cars? If Mac has 13 cars now, how many cars were in each pack? So he bought 8 packs of cars. He gave away 3. He now has 13. So let's start with the 13 he has now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. He has 13 now. He gave away 3. Cars he gave away 3. cars he has now. So he has 13 and he gave away 3. We need to put those back together. Okay, so it's 13 plus how much he gave away is 16. All right, so he bought 16 cars in 8 packs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 groups and we have 16 counters that we need to share. So put 1 in each group. That's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 divided by 8 equals 2 cars per pack. Okay, does that make sense? 8 times 2 is 16. 16 minus 3 is 13. So that does work. So we had 8 packs. Each pack has 2 cars for a total of 16. He then, of the 16 cars he bought, he gave away 3. So now he has 13. All right, number 3. Ryan gave 7 of his model cars to a friend. Then he bought 6 more cars. Now Ryan has 13 cars. How many cars did Ryan start with? So he gave 7, bought 6, has 13. Okay, so he has 13 cars. All right, so that's the 13 cars. But that was after buying 6 cars, right? So let's cross out those 6 because he didn't have them before he bought them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so after we subtracted the 6 that he bought because he didn't have those when he started. Okay, he gave 7 of his cars away. So it means we have to add back the 7 cars he gave away because he had those, right? So let's put 7 back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now how many does he have total? How many did he have when he started? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 cars. Okay, so let's see if that makes sense. So 13 take away 6. He had 7 cars before he bought 6. He'd have to had 7 back because he gave those were the 7 cars he gave away. So before he gave any cars away to Ryan, I mean before he gave any of his cars to his friends, he had 14 cars. Okay, so 14. If you start with 14 and you take away 7, you're at 7, right? Okay. Then he buys 6 more. So 7 plus 6 is 13. And that's how many he had. So 14 cars is what he starts with. Okay, number 4. Chloe bought 5 sets of books. She donated 9 of her books to her school. Now she has 26 books. How many books were in each set? 5 sets. She donated 9. Donated means to give away. She now has 26. So if we drew a picture for this again, let's start with the 26 books she has now. So 2, 4, I'm going to put them in groups of 5. 2 for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26. So that's how many books Chloe has now. She donated 9 books. And we said that means to give away. So before she gave away those 9, she actually had 26 plus 9, right? 20 books that she has, 26 books that she kept. She gave away 9. So if we want to go back to finding out how many books were in each of the sets, we have to put those 9 back together. So 26 plus 9, well, 26 plus 10 would be 36. So it's just going to be 1 less than that, so 35. So she bought 35 total books in 5 sets. All right, so let's put 1 book in every set until we've used all 35. That's 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So we have 2, 4, 6, 7 books in each set. So we can check our answer by saying 5 sets of 7 is 35. If she donates 9, what's 35 take away 9? 35 take away 9. I can't take 9 from 5, so I'll regroup. I'll change the 3 tens to 2 tens and 10 ones. 15 take away 9 is 6, so 26. Okay, so it does work out. Okay, number 5. Roll bought 2 packs of erasers. He found 2 erasers in his backpack. Now Roll has 8 erasers. How many erasers were in each pack? So he buys 2 packs. He found 2, which means we're adding that, and he now has 8. So let's figure this out. Let's draw the 8 that he has. 6, 7, 8. So there's his 8 erasers that he has now. Now, if he found 2 erasers, that means he didn't buy those, right? So we got to cross those out. All right, so what have we done? We've done 8, take away 2, leaves us 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have 2 packs of erasers. So we have 6 divided by 2 equals what? Okay, well, let's put 2 groups. And we have to share 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3. So I can put 3 into each group. 3 erasers per pack. 2 sets of 3 is 6, plus the 2 he found would give him 8. 3 and 3 is 6, plus 2 more is 8. Okay, number 6. Hilda cuts a ribbon into 2 equal pieces. Then she cuts 4 inches off one piece. That piece is now 5 inches long. What was the length of the original ribbon? Okay, so we had 2 equal pieces. She cuts 4 inches off one piece. That piece is now 5 inches. Well, let's draw a picture. So that's her piece of ribbon right now. That's one of the pieces. But that was after removing 4 inches. So how long was the ribbon originally? It's now 5, but that was after removing 4 inches, so it was 9 inches. So if this ribbon was 9 inches, the other one was 9 inches. Okay, so she has 2 sets of ribbons that are 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 inches long. Does that make sense? Well, let's see. 18 divided by 2, we'd have 2 9-inch pieces. All right. And then on one of them, I'm going to cut off 4 inches. So how much is left? 5 inches. Okay. So they were all both originally 9 inches. Number 7. Rose saw a movie, shopped, and ate at a restaurant. Okay. She did not see the movie first. She shopped right after she ate. In what order did Rose do these activities? All right. So let's see. She didn't see the movie first. So she either had to shop or eat first. And it says she shopped after she ate. So it wasn't the movie first. And she didn't shop before eating. So she ate first. Okay. After she ate, she shopped. And then that leaves the movie. Okay. So she ate, then shopped, and then went to a movie. How do we know? Movie couldn't be first, and shopping couldn't come before eating. So if she shopped right after she ate, the movie had to be last. She ate, shopped, and went to a movie. How do we know that? She did not see the movie first. So she either had to shop or eat first. She shopped right after she ate. After she ate. So she had to have eaten first. And movie has to be last because she shopped right after she ate. All right, and number 8. Eleni bought 3 packs of crayons. She then found 3 crayons in her desk. Eleni now has 24 crayons. How many crayons were in each pack she bought? Explain how you solved the problem. So 3 packs of crayons. She found 3 crayons. She now has 24. So if she started with 24, or no, I'm sorry, if she has 24 now, 2, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. She didn't buy all 24 of those because she found 3. So I'm going to cross out 3. So 24 take away 3 equals 21. So she bought 21 crayons. And she bought those in 3 packs. Okay, so 1 crayon in each pack until we get to 21. 2, that's 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So she bought 3 packs of 7. So 7 crayons per pack. I drew 24 crayons, then subtracted 3 crayons, and then divided 21 by 3 groups. All right, so that's it for lesson 710. The next time we meet, we'll be talking about lesson 711, and that's order of operations, a very important lesson. So until then, may the numbers always be in your favor.